Hi traders, this is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. Invest in yourself and start the new year's off right and take advantage of this special offer for the free 7-day trial. You can take advantage of all the member-only features like the chat room, private Twitter feed, daily market analysis watch list, and daily member video that goes into much more detail than these free videos that I do. Okay, so we're going to get started with the Apple analysis. A couple things I want to look at. We've got a channel here. We've got almost two channels possibly. The upper channel line right here is right around 114 at the moment. Okay. Currently, Apple is in a downtrend since the beginning of the year. We've got a current uptrend line that was broken. I've posted about that several times. We've also got this support break right here at 112.50. All right. And then we've got this lower channel line right here. As you can see, we've got one touch, two, three touches here. So I believe that this will provide some downward sloping support for Apple. So if we get Apple near 105 in the coming days, I'm suspecting that we'll continue to get some short-term bounces from there. Definitely more careful on the long side. I do notice that a lot of people are calling, are all of a sudden, getting really bearish on Apple, and that's when you kind of want to look for potentially taking the other side of the trade. If you've been following along, I've been quite bearish on Apple, and I still am in the long run. But short term, I do think that we can get a bounce. If we can get a bounce from 105, potentially up to retest the 112.50 resistance. Okay. But really the preference I have on Apple is kind of just to wait until Apple gets up to this 112.50, possibly 115 area in order to get a nice short on that. Right now we have this resistance. The big resistance is at 112.50. Okay, and the downward sloping downtrend line and the upper channel line is right at about 114, and I suspect that if and when Apple gets a bounce, that the downward sloping channel line trend line will be right in line with this 112.50 resistance, and that's going to provide a really nice short area. Okay, so those are the things that I'm kind of looking for, mainly on Apple. Two resistance levels are here and here, and we're going to take a look at the indicators. We're getting into potentially another oversold level on the RSI. We're at 34. We had a touch right here along the 30 line. We got a bounce from there, so I suspect that if we get a touch down here at the lower channel line, that'll match up with another 30 touch on the RSI. And I just want to point out one thing for the RSI. This is bearish behavior on the RSI for Apple. Okay, if you look at Apple, okay, we have not been able to reach the 70 level on the RSI. Not here, not even when it was breaking out over there. Okay, not over here on any of these pops over here. Okay, so that showed a lack of strength in that move. Of course, price is the most important thing that you want to pay attention to, but looking back, you can see why potentially it did not have that much strength. RSI is a good indicator to follow. But what you do have, while it was not able to reach the power zone for the bulls at 70, you have several sub 30 touches. Here, 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 and again here. Okay? So this is some bearish behavior. On Apple, we have strength on the downward moves, and we are lacking that strength on the upward moves. So just something to pay attention to when you're trading is that RSI 14 period. Again, you can start your New Year's off right by joining thetradinganalyst.com. We've got great performance numbers. We focus on trader education and allowing you the opportunity to get the same numbers that we get. You can make money right away from the alerts that we're giving you, as well as learning while you're earning in the live chat room, private Twitter, member videos, educational videos, and the daily watch list and market analysis. Sign up tonight. We'll see you over there.